Welcome to this third video in the Ranorex Studio data-driven testing series, Managing Data Sources. You can download the sample solution featured in this video together with the data source from the user guide, a link to which can be found in this video's description. Data sources and the test data they contain are managed per test suite. This means once added to a test suite, the data source can be assigned to the test containers of the test suite. If therefore we are to add a simple data table, we first need to add this to the test suite. We click on Manage Data Source. New Simple Data Table. Name the table and press OK. We can then assign this table to a test case. Right mouse click and select Data Source. Select My Simple Data. You can then enter the required data as shown on screen. Once finished, we simply click OK, and we see that two rows of a simple data table are now assigned to the test case. Excel and .csv data connectors. In the following example, we use an Excel file. However, the same process is used for both .csv and Excel files. Again, we begin by adding the file to the test suite by clicking Manage Data Sources and add a new Excel connector. Name the data source. Then select the Excel file we have already downloaded. Press Open and OK. To assign the data to a test container, use the context menu and Data Source. Select the file. The data will load. Press OK. This time we see that 8 rows of my Excel data have been assigned to the test case. An SQL data connector is also available. For full details of the optional settings, please see the user guide, a link to which can be found in this video's description. We are able to mask data. If we click on Manage Data Source, when the dialog box opens, we see that we can select any of the columns to mask. If we were to run the report, the information we have requested to be masked will be starred out, as can be seen on screen. To limit a data range, right mouse click on the test container and click Data Source. Click Range and enter the range you wish to include. In this example, 1 through 6. Press OK. We now see that my Excel data has been filtered. In the next video in the Ranorex Studio data-driven testing series, we will be looking at data binding.